Your versus your. Please focus on the spelling of these two words. Which one am I using in this sentence? Your teacher is brilliant. How about in this statement? You're a brilliant teacher. Please reserve your answers because we will check them later. As of now, let's start talking about Y-O-U-R, your. Your is the second person possessive adjective. This means it is not talking about me or the speaker. It is about somebody in front of you or around you. Your is used to describe something as belonging to that person you are talking to. It is always followed by noun or gerund. Noun is a name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Look at these examples. Your house is big. House is a noun. Number 2, I miss your kids. This underlined word is also an example of noun. Number 3, they bought your uniform. Again, your is followed by another example of noun. Number 4, she will be your mentor. Mentor is also a noun. Now let's proceed to the examples of your followed by a gerund. A gerund is a verb plus ing that functions as a noun. Here are some examples. Number 1, your writing is excellent. Number 2, your attending to their needs is commendable. The two underlined words are gerunds. Here's another one. Number 3, if your speaking sounds professional, so do you. And our last example, if your listening improves, we will move you to another class. At this point, let's have Y-O-U''RE. This is basically a contraction of the words you are. The apostrophe is your signal that the word can be split into two words. And lastly, it is often followed by present participle, which is a verb form ending in ing. Let's take a look at my sample sentences. Number 1, I hope you're going to get the job done before the month ends. Number 2, you're selling your things. Are you leaving this place? But there's another way of using you are. Check this out. You're interesting. You're amazing. In these two examples, interesting and amazing function as adjectives. You can also use your like these. You're a great father. You're an excellent speaker. Just be mindful with the right article you use before the adjective. Here's another one. You're the best. Please take note of this. You cannot say you're a best or you're an best. Is everything clear? Let's now go back to the first two sentences I presented to you a while ago. What is your answer for number 1? Yes, you are right. It's Y-O-U-R. And for number 2, the correct answer is... Congratulations to those who got them right. Do you want some more exercises? Here they are. Write your or your on the blanks provided below. Blank professor will ask you when blank ready. What are your answers? Number 1 is Y-O-U-R, while number 2 is Y-O-U''RE. Please remember to make Y a big letter because it's the first word in the sentence. This Y right here is small because it's in the middle. Am I clear? Now I'd like you to follow me. Your professor will ask you when you're ready. Let's move on to the next exercise. Blank so pretty with blank costume. Our answers are these. Let's read it all. Follow me. You're so pretty with your costume. Let's have another one. Whether blank thin or fat, I will stay by blank side. Your answer should be. And our sentence now is, whether you're thin or fat, I will stay by your side. Your turn to read. And here's our last sentence. This is blank reward because blank such a hard-working guy. What do you think are the answers? Our final sentence is, this is your reward because you're such a hard-working guy. Could you read that again, please? Great job, everyone! That's the end of our lesson for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next one.